now.
No.
Yeah, I am.
No.
No.
Just nobody mention it.
No.
Okay, guard dumpster. No. He died.
Fist of Doom! Fuck you!
Holy shit.
Ow, I broke my ankles. Beat him up, Bill. Ow.
Ooh. They be killing all the Karens.
Oh, this thing like kills me. That's pretty cool. Fist!
What did you say, dear? Your mic is away again. We talked about this 100 times. Thank you. We talked about this.
Oh yeah.
Talked about what?
Your mic being too far away from that beautiful face of yours.
Okay, buddy, calm down. There's people around here.
People.
I can still compliment him. He does it to me a little bit, but I can still compliment back.
No.
Stupid.
Hey, you tell him.
I'm not stupid. I'm disabled. That's what's up.
What?
Womp womp.
To be
Oh, I need to
fair,
find like a chest or something.
Think
I got like no items.
Think about it. You're
Mhm.
forgetting one important detail in your You're forgetting one very important detail in your video.
oh, what is it?
You need to put the intro music. Like, come on.
That's unfair. You kill everything you see, and I'm just starting.
I don't know. I don't know how to use CapCut.
Hit the fucking intro music, not CapCut.
You bitch.
Bro, you collected everything else. I need some loot as well.
No, you don't.
I don't know
forget
how
that
to
little
do
old me
intro
over here.
music. I'm a fucking loser.
Well done.
Fist! Oh yeah, you just got mega fisted. Literally, like my my right click is literally shoving a fist up somebody's ass.
That's a bit gay.
You're a big gay.
That's crazy.
Go home.
That's a good question. I don't know. You know what? Never mind. Hunter, you're a big gay.
Yeah.
What?
Hunter.
He's bi.
Sorry, I found something.
Huh?
I found something.
Hunter, did you
What'd you find?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he did.
Uh,
He's bisexual.
What did you do?
Holy shit!
He's bisexual. He can't help it.
Why is there so many?
Holy shit, J multiply with the king jellyfish. Not in that way though, not in that way. King jellyfish has spawned his army.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Step it. Step it.
turn arms into a jellyfish, quick.
I am
What?
super fucking mad.
Arms here, jellyfish.
Well done.
Oh, no one ever called me a jellyfish before. I only be called blobfish.
Well
That was
done.
crazy.
Owie.
Bill, are you being molested right now?
Yep.
Well, he's on his own on that one.
Come on, he's almost dead. He's gonna blow!
Whoa.
He's gonna blow.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
He's fine, don't worry
I
about it.
think they just heard Bill busting him.
Bill's dead!
Oh no.
They're multiplying
They
even
killed him.
more! This is scary! Bill is dead!
What?
No.
How am I still alive?
Guys, I can't hear you. Hello?
Yes?
What?
I think I might be deaf now.
Oh, fuck.
That might be true.
Oh shit. I guess I'm deaf now.
Bro, did I work myself out?
I guess I'm deaf now, guys.
I guess you're right.
Oh shit.
We'll be fine.
I'm not gonna survive this.
Oh god.
No, Cody!
Killer, get the thing, Cody! What can I do, Cody?
Cody! Cody, no! Cody! Cody!
Cody. Anyway.
He's still alive.
He's fine,
Holy
don't worry
shit.
about him.
I live, motherfucker!
Oh damn.
He's literally testing God.
Not
We
to
can't
say
stop
my
him.
idea.
Damn. K.O.
He made me
Bill, maybe if somebody kept stealing the stuff.